What's up everybody and welcome back to my channel. So on today's video we're going to be doing a Valentine's Day look. So this is the look that I created. So if you want to see how I did that, then keep on watching. But before we get into anything, you already know what you got to do. Click that subscribe button, hit the bell, getting notifications when I post new videos, and then click that like button letting me know you're liking the stuff that I'm putting out. So without wasting any more time, let's get into this little tutorial. Alright guys, so we're going to create this Valentine's Day look using the Makeup Revolution and Emily Edit Once palette. I haven't used it in a minute, but I think, you know, the hype's died down. It's 2019. We can just use makeup and go on our merry way. So we're going to go into this palette a little bit. So kind of show you what it looks like on the inside. Absolutely stunning. So I'm going to go into the shade Midwest right here and start my transition. I've done that, so now I'm going to take another brush. I'm going to go into the shade Laugh Cry right here and start building up my crease. Alright, so now I'm going to clean that brush off. I'm going to go into the shade Love Ton right here and deepen up my crease. Okay, I'm going to go back in with that first brush, dip back into that Laugh Cry, and blend out the edges. Okay, so now I'm going to take my trusty e.l.f. brush, dip into Love. I'm going to dip into Love Ton and Cheer, Love Ton and Cheer right here, and deepen my outer bottom lid. So I'm gonna go off camera, cut this little crease up here. Be right back. So I've cut my crease with my trusty. Excuse me. This is what I use. I use the NYX Proof It Waterproof Eye Primer. I used to use the NYX Glitter Primer, but I find that this is a lot more sticky than the glitter primer, which should be that, but I find this a lot stickier. So moving right along. So I'm going to grab one of my little trusty flat brushes. I'm going to go into the shade Heartbeat right here. Oddly enough, since you know this is a Valentine's Day tutorial, I'm going to roll in a Heartbeat and kind of hit some of this on the outer portion of my top lid. Alright, so I've done that on that outer portion. Now I'm going to clean off the brush. I'm going to go into the shade, I'll go into the shade Cupcake right here and put this on the inner portion of my top lid. Alright, so now I'm going to take my trusty Morphe E36 brush. We're going to spray it. I don't smoke, it's just fun to do that. And then I'm going to go into Cupcake again, going on the inner portion of my bottom lid. So I've done that. I'm going to dip into the shade of Heavens right here. Hit up my inner corner. Alright, so I'm gonna go off camera, finish all this up, and be right back. Alright guys, so this is the final look that I'm creating using the Makeup Revolution Emily Edits The Once palette. You can kind of see what it looks like. This is just something like a real simple look that for like a date night that you can do that's just very warm and inviting and very complimentary of the holidays, since you know everyone loves to use purples, reds, pinks. Like those are the go-to colors for Valentine's Day. So that's kind of what I did with this look today. If you enjoy this look, comment down below. Obviously, before you head out, hit that subscribe button, click that bell, getting the notifications when I post new videos, and then click that like button. Let me know you're liking the stuff that I'm putting out. And until next time, guys, deuces.